Hello traders! In this video I would like to address the danger of overextended rally. This is hourly chart. This Fibonacci level's been present in the trading room since last week. Since last week, Dow sold out from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Right now in the markets, we're stuck mid-trend. We're stuck between this resistance and this support. Intelligent trader knows hours in advance. If you choose to short near this level, your success rate less than 20%. Your only option to buy from this level. If you choose to sell from this level, not to enter into this level, you're trading against institutional bias. Because institutions continue buying every pullback. But we are extremely high. Markets are difficult because weekly currently 7,000 points up from Black Thursday, March 23rd, stunning place to buy from. This was a dream. This was spectacular. This is a pain, more pain ahead. More crawl is on. Intelligent trader knows and understands this. This is crucial day trading support. Market in pain. No shorts here. Software told us so clearly. So combination of institutional trends, combination of crucial alpha Fibonacci support and crucial day trading resistance will always keep you on the right side of the market. Look at this. This is a dance. This is a market now. To the tick. No surprises here. So when you're dealing with such overextended rally and you choose to buy this market, what is a key? The response at this level. Nothing spectacular about this rally. Nothing. Market extremely high. If you understand the danger of these markets that will remain here for many months to come, you cherish your opportunity to buy from support. Correct? You are never shorting into. You understand the power of most important day trading chart, and you understand the importance of buying from support and selling from resistance. Correct? No surprises here. None. In front of you, the end of the minor trend. Did we know or did we know that this would be a problem? Of course. Nothing else is possible. To the tick, price struggling at this level. Speculation in such dangerous market conditions can be extremely costly. Power of Alpha Fibonacci system traded all over the world. Take a look at the students this morning. I love seeing this. So here's the students this morning. From Deep South, from Canada, from UK, from Dubai, from Arizona, from Louisiana, from Pennsylvania, from London, from Alabama, from New York, from New Jersey, from Carolina, from Texas, from all over the world. These are the students who are serious about trading, who understand the importance of this very dangerous markets. You only need pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit, and if you do that, you can trade anything you choose. Anything. All you have to do is obey the rules. I give you Ferrari. Can you drive it at speed limit? Can you obey the light? Can you stay between two lines? Market in pain. This will be always part of markets. This is here to stay for many months to come. With Alpha Fibonacci system, there is not a problem. You can trade in any market conditions, as you can drive your Ferrari on any road, of course. As long as you obey the rules, it doesn't matter what's happening in this world. You are proactive, intelligent human being. You're understanding the danger of these markets, correct? Market stock. It's a crawl, it's a pain, but it's the only option. Nothing else is possible, only this. Here we go. This level is out. This level is next. But this is a major problem. Of course. We knew it. Ultimate precision is critical in dangerous market conditions. Clear on this? And that's Alpha Fibonacci system. During some of the most dangerous markets that are always part of trading, this brutal market's here to stay until at least election, when institutions holding their longs and adding to their positions. Intelligent trader understands what institutions do. Intelligent trader understands spectacular versus dangerous markets. This is the reason this level is so bright pink. In brutal markets, it is never to be ignored. Never, ever, ever. This is your trading range. We knew it before it happened. That's the power of Fibonacci. Natural symmetry, natural sequence that forms all markets. Nothing else is needed, ever. This is all that matters. This is all that forms any and every market. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. You want to trade options? You want to trade stocks? Of course. You want to trade Bitcoin? Why not? Oil? Of course. Gold? Absolutely. Here we go. Boom! Did we know or did we know that this is what will play out? Of course. That's what institutions do, adding to their longs, not shorting markets. Institutional bias long remain. Clear on this? As we discussed with students before trading room open, intelligent human being would not be touching shorts. Not in today's market conditions. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. Institutional, trend-based system. Take the profits of the table and move the stop outside of break-even is what intelligent trader does. Did we know or did we know that this would be crucial target? Of course! From this target, price can collapse 80% of the time. If you will ignore this target, you're creating your own system. Time and time again, it's a stepping stone. It's perfection. One counter trend move. This to follow. Doesn't matter if you trade Apple, doesn't matter if you trade pound, oil, or gold. Ultimate precision, ultimate accuracy, ultimate rule-based trading. No speculation here. You cannot afford to speculate, to gamble in dangerous markets, which are here to stay for many, many months to come. As long as institutions continue holding their longs, markets will be brutal. Not with Alpha Fibonacci system. After this level, this will be next. It's a stepping stone. From this level, price collapsed instantly, 30 points. Correct? Brad reporting his trading morning lasted 6 minutes. Market open was phenomenal. It is 90+% of the time. So we stayed firm, we stayed unwavered. We discussed this with students well before trading room open. Absolutely no shorts in this market, none. With the power of software, with the power of multi-market scanner, with ultimate rule-based trading, this is ultimate way to trade. We still remain stuck in exact same place. With Alpha Fibonacci system, nothing is a problem. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Over and over again. It's stellar. It never gets old. Trade markets as you play Alpha Fibonacci chess. Boom. So here we go. We're having conversations with traders. 15 win to 1 loss for the month of May. Stunning. Flawless. Here's another email. So here's an update from 1 hour of our students. Thank you for the class yesterday. As a student creating video about all of our students and what Alpha Fibonacci traders accomplish all over the world. As Ken reports, 40 for 40 trades on Bitcoin. As Ken says, you only need one per day and double the contracts like you said. I want to slow down and study for a bit. This is what intelligent trader does. This is quality trading. Did we know or did we know that price will collapse from this level? Of course. Ultimate precision, ultimate accuracy. Every day. No matter what you decide to trade. So here we go, traders. Did we know or did we know that this is our trading range? Of course. Did we know that this is critical support and this is your exit level on your long? Absolutely. Are we seeing powerful buyers? Absolutely not. Not yet. Intelligent trader on standby. Understanding this is crucial support, and when the buyers will step in, intelligent trader will take long again. If that's the highest quality trade. So if you want to see or listen what Alpha Fibonacci traders do, take a look at the podcasts. As you can start meeting students, you can see their faces, you can see Ken, you can meet Brad, you can see Manu. All of these traders are here now, and you've seen Ken's email. So if you want to hear their journeys, if you want to see their stories, please do. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci community of intelligent strategic traders. If they can do it, so can you. Any other questions for me, please do ask. Boom, Jean, what an incredible job. I love it. If Jean can do this, so can you. If Brett can do this, so can you. If Ken can do this, so can you. All you have to do, understand the power of institutional trends. All you have to do, understand the precision of alpha Fibonacci system. Time and time again. You cannot trade without institutional trends. You cannot trade without ultimate Fibonacci precision. You cannot continue chasing indicators. You cannot continue gambling and thinking as majority does. More trades is not more money. Quality trades is what will give you quality life, as it does for these traders. So please review the information on the product section. Choose the best option available to you. Lifetime license of software or system available without software for any platform. Currently, we are offering the biggest discount ever for all group sessions. Private mentoring, waiting list only. I am booked until 2021. Only if you are extremely flexible, only if you sign up for group course, you can join waiting list. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298, info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. Once again, that's the power of the system, even during the worst market conditions.